Welcome to our Novante washing machine troubleshooting guide. In this video, we will explain common error codes and their simple solutions so that you can easily resolve issues at home. Abnormal noise? If you hear unusual noise during the wash cycle, remove any coins or foreign objects from inside the drum. Check for any loose parts. If buttons, zippers or hooks on the clothes are hitting the drum, this may be a normal sound. If the problem still persists, please contact Lloyd Service. Their contact number will be displayed on the screen. Thanks for watching.